Wakunaga Health Channel.
Aged Garlic Extract (AGE) with Professor Bright.
What is S1PC in aged garlic extract? Hi everyone, have you ever heard of S1PC? S1PC is a natural ingredient derived from garlic, and it is actually very useful for maintaining good health. If you've never heard of S1PC before, I'll explain what it is and share the research that has been discovered so far in this lesson. S1PC is a type of naturally occurring amino acid, and its systematic name is S1-propenyl L-cysteine. We call it by the brand name S1PC. S1PC is one of the compounds found in aged garlic extract. It is hardly found in raw garlic and is found in particularly high amounts in aged garlic extract compared to other processed garlic products such as black garlic. Raw garlic contains a natural compound that can turn into S1PC. When the garlic is aged for a long time, this compound gradually changes into S1PC. S1PC was discovered back in the 1960s, but at that time its effects were not well understood. Around 2016, research began to reveal that it has a variety of beneficial effects on the body. Now, let's introduce some of the effects of S1PC that have been revealed in preclinical research to date. First, let's take a look at research results on the immunomodulatory effects of S1PC, especially its effects on intestinal immunity. When it comes to immunity, the intestines play an especially important role. About 60–70% of the body's immune cells are concentrated there. Certain immune cells produce an antibody called immunoglobulin A, IgA, which helps maintain a healthy intestinal flora. What is immunoglobulin A, IgA? Immunoglobulin A is a protein that functions as an antibody. IgA is found not only in the intestinal lining but also in saliva and tears, where it helps stop bacteria and other germs from entering the body. Originally, aged garlic extract was reported to have immune-activating effects in both preclinical studies and human clinical trials. Another preclinical study showed that aged garlic extract promotes IgA production. Now, what happens if we look at S1PC alone? Interestingly, preclinical studies of S1PC also demonstrated an increase in IgA antibody production. These results suggest that S1PC may help support intestinal immunity. Next, let's take a look at the results of a study on the effects of S1PC on blood pressure. In the hypertension model, a single dose of S1PC was administered and blood pressure was measured. In this model, systolic blood pressure, the upper number, improved after just 3 hours of administration of S1PC. What are systolic and diastolic blood pressure? The pressure exerted on the blood vessels when the heart contracts and pumps blood is called systolic blood pressure, the upper number. The pressure exerted when the heart returns to its normal position is called diastolic blood pressure, the lower number. These are widely used indicators of blood pressure status. Blood pressure is affected by various factors such as heart rate, peripheral blood resistance, peripheral circulation volume, blood fluidity, and vascular flexibility. To investigate peripheral blood circulation among these factors, blood flow was measured in a model study in which S1PC was administered. Here is the blood flow rate 3 hours after S1PC administration. Blood flow rate has increased. On the other hand, there was no change in heart rate. These results suggest that S1PC improves peripheral blood circulation and, as a result, contributes to maintaining blood pressure. Finally, I'll discuss S1PC uptake and safety. Research was being conducted into how much orally ingested S1PC is absorbed into the body and its safety. Pharmacokinetic studies. The scientific analysis of how substances circulate in the body are crucial for the safe and effective use of chemicals. Preclinical model studies have shown that S1PC is rapidly absorbed after oral administration, with up to 88 to 100% of S1PC entering the bloodstream and acting systemically. Furthermore, findings from a preclinical study indicate that S1PC does not affect the activity of enzymes important for drug metabolism in the liver. Drug metabolizing enzymes are extremely important because they are involved in the function of regulating the concentration of drugs taken into the body so that they do not become too high. These results suggest that S1PC is an important component of aged garlic extract, and it is considered highly safe. What did you think? I hope this video has helped you understand that S1PC, a component of aged garlic extract, may have various health-supporting effects as suggested by preclinical studies. S1PC is a remarkable natural ingredient. Research on S1PC is currently ongoing, and clinical trials are also being conducted. If any other research reveals anything else about the effects of S1PC, we will share it on this channel, so please be sure to tune in next time.
Thanks for watching our video.
Please subscribe to our channel.